Hey guys, down at the AutoCraze headquarters today. I've got Callum and his father Andrew here with me. We're doing a 2-inch AutoCraze lift in there. Stay tuned. Callum went inside. Little does Callum know, he thinks that we were doing it for his birthday. But he's going to be very surprised when he picks up the car this afternoon, because he's going to have the lift kit, the fuel sledges in the 17x9s, and we're also doing the 265 7017 Falken Wildpeaks. Alright guys, there you have it. Callum's car's finally completed. Andrew and Callum are actually inside at the moment. He's clueless. He doesn't know we're doing the wheels on there, wheels and tyres. They were actually supposed to be a surprise for his birthday. His dad, luckily enough, called me during the week. He's like, guys, please make sure you do the wheels and tyres on there, and we're going to surprise Callum with it. So, customer's not aware. We're going to go inside now, grab him, take him out back, see his reaction. Stay tuned. Alright, Callum. Alright, Andrew, come out with me. Let's go take a look at this. Yeah, are you excited?
Yeah, definitely.
So Callum?
Interesting.
There she is.
Holy shit. Can I say everything on camera?
That's fine. So,
Good, hey.
I know you said you wanted to do it for your birthday because you're waiting to save people money. Thanks for your dad. You've got a great and awesome dad, mate.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah, that's so true. Even I can't believe that.
Look, you've got a great dad, man.
Yeah,
Like, he called me up midweek, he said to me, make sure you do the wheels and tyres, and there you have it, man. So the wheels and tyres and the lift kits in there.
Yeah.
Just the way you wanted it, man. No problem whatsoever. No, that's alright, Callum.
Good on you.
No,
Thanks,
good.
mate.
No,
That's
great.
great.
That's it, man. That's it. Cool. Cal, these are your keys, mate. I'm glad we could be a part of everything.
Thanks, Adam.
That's alright, mate.
Appreciate
Look,
it,
I'm just glad you're happy with it. Do you want to say anything about your experience? I mean,
Just can't recommend you guys enough. Like, it's what been done in a day, and we booked it a few days ago, and it's done.
Yeah, it's all done.
So,
Yeah, you guys have been great, mate. No, seriously, you have it. We, you know, because Callum does all his research, you know, so the fact that he's here speaks a lot for you, because I know he's a pretty bright young fella, so he's gone through everything and researched it all, so to end up here obviously means you guys are the best, so you know, it's worked out really well for us.
And that's
really
not
happy.
a shameless plug, like that.
That's true. That's just the way it is, you know. No, it's good.
There you have it. Callum's car is finally completed. As you saw from his reaction, he was very, very happy with it. If you want to see more big builds like this, visit our socials, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Follow us, subscribe, just to stay tuned. Also, visit us on www.autocraze.com.au or give us a call on 1-800-099-634 should you have any questions to ask. Thanks, guys. It's going to look perfect. Let's see his actions. Wait. Do it again. Okay. I got to retake it.
Action, take two. Action.
Okay. Alright guys, so Callum's car's finally completed. Andrew and Callum are actually inside.
Cut.
Okay.
Take three.
Alright.
Take four.
Alright guys, there you have it.